everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're unboxing the July Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. This box is always so fun to open, so yeah, today we'll be doing an unboxing. I'll tell you a little bit about the box, but before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to remind you all that we do have a giveaway going on. If you haven't entered, that will be linked in a card at the end of this video, so you can check that out afterwards. And I also want to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you also love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love if you join and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So the name of this box kind of gives it away. This is an essential oil box, but not only do you get essential oils, you also get recipes to come up with some great things. Every month there is a theme. So you get 4 essential oils and some other items to complete these recipes. The price is $39 a month and you're guaranteed a retail value of at least $150 in each box. I do have a promo code that I will leave here on the screen and down below. My code will give you $40 gift card to use on the Simply Earth website, and you'll also get what they refer to a big bonus box that has a retail value of $40, so you're getting $80 of free stuff with this code. And in this big bonus box, you get like little mini essential oil bottles, so you can make your own blends and stuff like that. You get roll-on bottles, so you can make those as well. You get things to help you with recipes like unfractionated coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax. You get a bunch of stuff. So if you're into essential oils, you definitely will love this box, but take advantage of that code too, because you'll get a lot of stuff to help you make the most of your essential oils, and it's really fun too. So I can't remember what the theme is for this month, but we're gonna get unboxing, and it will obviously be linked down below if you are interested in subscribing. Oh, I have to mention, it says in the back of the box, which reminded me, like, one of the many reasons why I love Simply Earth is that they give 13% of their profits to charities that help end human trafficking. Like 13% is a huge chunk, and I think that's amazing. So they're making positive impact on all our lives by, you know, sending us joy each month, and also by ending human trafficking and giving so much to charity. It's so awesome. Anyways, when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So it comes with some stickers so you can label everything you make, and then the really informative recipe cards, and then this is how it always looks. So you get the 4 oils here and then the extra items you will need. So it's very well packed. Your oils come just great. And so yeah, the recipes are on these cards, and then on the back of the card you'll get more information. Oh, dropping everything. Oh, I kind of remember now. Because they give a sneak peek every month. I always try and tell you guys at the end of the video, and I remember last month when I filmed this video, I was so excited because one of the recipes is for a DIY dry shampoo. So we'll talk about that recipe first. But let's just read about the theme first. So every month we get a note from Katie. She's the recipe formulator, and she's also a certified aromatherapist. And she says, "Hi friend, when we're trying to get rid of toxins in our homes, some items can be harder to replace than others. One thing I had trouble finding was a toxin-free shampoo and conditioner recipe that didn't leave my hair feeling greasy or brittle. More store-bought shampoos include toxins like sulfates, which strip your hair of its natural oil production. Parabens are believed to disrupt hormones and may even pose cancer risk." Just so I know, I don't think that's been proven to be true, but some people think it's possible. And then fragrance is my least favorite toxin found in personal care products because this mystery ingredient could be anything. I agree. I don't like that companies can just write fragrance and not list like what the actual components of the fragrance thing is. So this is a Salon in a box recipe box. Nice. Okay, now it's all coming back to me slowly, like as they tell me. Salon in a box. So this is designed to remove toxins from your personal care routine to support your wellness. I've been loving these recipes and can't wait for you to try them. I'm excited. So what we'll do, we'll go through the recipes, and as the items come up, I'll take them out of the box and show you them. So the DIY dry shampoo. The time to make this is only 1 minute, and it has an estimated shelf life of 1 year. And the ingredients are 1 tablespoon of almond oil. It says this is optional. And as I mentioned, you will get this in your big bonus box if you use my code. And then you'll need 3 drops of the Fit Essential Oil Blend, which is also optional. Let's get that out. I like the name of that. Fit Essential Oil Blend. I'm trying to get fit. So this is what the vial looks like. Is it focusing? There it goes. Their labeling is always very informative. On here it lists the ingredients. When it's just a pure essential oil, meaning it's not a blend of multiple oils, it tells you even more information. But on here it says the ingredients include grapefruit, spearmint, and lavender essential oil. And topical application, add 2 drops of fit per teaspoon of carrier oil. Do not use undiluted on skin. Possible skin sensitivity, keep out of the reach of children. Yeah, they always give you good disclaimers on everything. And there's another card in the box that tells you even more information. So the uses are to curb appetite and energizes. I need both of that. And then general safety, again, dilute before using on the skin. It's safe for kids 2 and up. It is pregnancy safe, but they say consult your doctor, which is always a good idea. And it's not safe for cats or dogs. I always like to say, if you ever have questions about that, like kids and your pets and stuff, because I know a lot of oils you don't want to diffuse like right next to your pets, just check with your veterinarian or pediatrician if it's kids. And I think when they write cats and dogs on there, they mean like directly applying and stuff like that. But again, do your research, and I wouldn't ever apply things personally to my cats. Oh, I just took the stopper. I was like talking to you guys and opening too aggressively, but I definitely smell spearmint the most. And then you will need some things from home. So it says 1/4 to 1/2 cup of cornstarch or arrowroot powder in a 6 to 8 ounce jar. And if you have dark hair, then you can add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. That's probably because sometimes dry shampoos can leave like that white cast. That's probably what the arrowroot powder or cornstarch would do. So whenever you need anything from home, in the box the month prior, when they give a sneak peek, they also let you know what you'll need to make the following month's or the next month's items. So that is really useful. Of course, I didn't listen, but I think I actually have all that stuff. I definitely have 6 to 8 ounce jars. For example, you can even use like old candle jars, mason jars where you get like from food items after you wash them. I'm sure you could dig up a 6 to 8 ounce jar somewhere in your house. For instructions, it says if you have brown or dark hair, add 1/4 a cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 a cup of cornstarch to a sealable container and mix. If you have blonde or light colored hair, use 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And then optional step, mix almond oil with the Fit Essential Oil Blend, stir into dry shampoo. This will add an uplifting aroma to your dry shampoo and help balance your scalp's oil production. And to use, dip a makeup brush into the mixture and apply to your scalp or any area your hair tends to get oily. This is so exciting. I think I would definitely put the almond oil and the essential oil in it just to make it more fragrant, because I do think this smells good. But if you don't want any fragrance at all, then you don't have to do that step. Let's move on to the next item. It looks like this is for your nails. I love the theme, salon at home. So fitting and useful for this. I don't need to explain. Nails without fail oil. The time to make is 1 minute and the estimated shelf life is 1 year. And in this you'll need 2 tablespoons of the almond oil, which you'll receive in your big bonus box. 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. Ooh, I'm glad to have more. I ran out of my last rosemary. My mom shared a blend with me that's supposed to help be like antiviral, and I'm never claiming that antiviral stuff like diffusing it will help with the virus, but yeah, point being, I'm excited to have this. So here's the vial. So on the back it says this comes from the plant part leaves. Its origin is Spain. And ingredients, it gives the official name Rosmarianus officinalis. I always feel like I'm in Harry Potter when I read Latin. I took Latin, like honors Latin, for 4 years. I don't know why I still get a kick like thinking about Harry Potter. Aroma, herbal, and woody. And then it gives some cautions. Child safe 10 and up. And let's look at what other precautions they have. So rosemary, the uses can be to uplift, warm, and it can help support hair growth. General safety, dilute before using on the skin. Again, safe for kids 10 and up. It is pregnancy safe, but of course consult with your doctor, and it's not safe for cats or dogs. And I know what rosemary smells like, but I always have to open and take a sniff. It's so like earthy, or herbal and woody like they describe it. So next you'll need 1 drop of Palmarosa essential oil. I don't remember if I have this or not. So this comes from the plant part grass. Its origin is Nepal. Ingredients, Simpogon martini. Oh, is that really martini, but with 2 eyes at the end? I'm intrigued. Its aroma is sharp and floral. So this is used to calm, soothe pain, and aid in sleep. General safety, dilute before using on the skin. Again, safe for kids 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, yes, but consult your doctor. And it's safe for cats and dogs. I feel like it's so rare to see that, especially for the cats. Sharp and floral. I think that's a dead-on description. I like it. And then you will also need a 1 ounce container, and they provided that here. So what you do is you add all the ingredients to this container, you close and then swirl it to mix for 30 seconds. And to use, apply the oil to cuticles and nails using a cotton ball to moisturize, improve appearance, and stimulate growth. Nice. My nails are super damaged. I've mentioned this a lot of times, but from doing like dip nails for a while, and then I did the glue-on nails the other day, and now my nails seem even more damaged. So I'm definitely going to be making this because my nails need it. The next recipe is Strong and Long Shampoo. Time to make is 1 minute and estimated shelf life is 1 year. And the ingredients, you need 1 ounce of natural shampoo base, which we have right here. Paraben and sulfate free. It says SLS free, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, right? Or sodium laureth. It probably doesn't have either of those. And it lists all the ingredients in here and also suggested use. It says customize this base to make your own therapeutic shampoo. Add natural additives up to 0.5% of its total volume. When adding essential oils, we recommend using a 0.5 dilution rate, which is about 2 to 3 drops per 1 ounce of shampoo base. And for recipes to use the shampoo base, head to blog.simplyearth.com. But we have our recipe right here. You'll need this, and then it says 3 drops of the rosemary essential oil, which we already talked about, and then 1 drop of spearmint essential oil. So this is the last oil in the box. I don't know why it wants to like focus on my big head in the background. So this comes from the plant part leaves and stems. Its origin is China. Ingredients mentha spicata, and its aroma is sweet and minty. And again, I know what spearmint smells like. So refreshing. Open the shampoo base and add the essential oils directly to the shampoo. Close and shake for at least 30 seconds to mix, and to use, dispense a dime-sized amount into your hand, lather, wash, and rinse. Nice, this is super easy. And if you like these scents, that's great. And again, you can go on their blog. They have a bunch of different recipes there. Also, when you're a subscriber, you have access to a Facebook group. So other subscribers, you can chat, you can show off what you made, and also share other recipes. It's super fun and a great community. And then we also have a recipe for a conditioner. This is a strength and length conditioner. Time to make 1 minute, estimated shelf life 1 year. So the ingredients is 1 ounce of natural conditioner base, which we have here, similar to the shampoo base. And it gives you again the ingredient list and suggested use. And for this, it says add natural additives up to 6% of its total volume. And when adding essential oils, we recommend using a 1% dilution rate, which is 5 to 6 drops per 1 ounce of conditioner base. And then 4 drops of rosemary and 2 drops of the spearmint. So they'll go great together. You use a few more drops in the conditioner. Same directions. You open the conditioner base and add the essential oils directly into the conditioner. Close and shake for at least 30 seconds to mix. And to use, dispense a dime-sized amount and massage through the ends of hair, working upwards, using more conditioner as needed. Leave the conditioner on for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse. So next we have the Salon Day Diffuser Blend. And the time to make is 1 minute, and estimated shelf life is 1 year. And you can either make a master blend or just add these straight to your diffuser. And by the way, whenever I do these Simply Earth videos, I always link down below the diffuser I've been using. I got it on Amazon, and I've had it for over 2 years now. So I think it might even be 3. I think I purchased it at the end of 2017. So not fully 3 years, but it's going strong. So if you're in the market, yeah, just want to let you know. So for this blend, you need 3 drops of the Fit Essential Oil Blend, 1 drop of the Rosemary Essential Oil Blend, and 1 drop of Spearmint Essential Oil. So you could just add those drops directly to your diffuser and diffuse in an open room for an uplifting aroma reminiscent of a day at the salon. Or if you want to make a master blend, you can use one of the vials that you'll get in the big bonus box. And it says, yeah, use a 5 ml bottle from your big bonus box and add 60 drops of the Fit Essential Oil blend, 20 drops of the Rosemary Essential Oil, and then 20 drops of the Spearmint Essential Oil. On the back of this card, it gives some more information. I think I went over most of this. It says questions about this month's box. We have answers and more. So we already talked about their blog and their Facebook group. I failed to mention that they also have an essential oil hero course. So it's an online course that teaches you all about essential oils, which is free for subscribers. And it says they have an amazing customer service team, which is true. So if you have any questions, you can just email them. And some tips. You can change your ship date, add products, exchange oils, gift a box, or skip a box simply from your account. Wow, I didn't even know that they did that. Not all boxes allow you to skip a product or skip a month, I should say, or exchange stuff or add products to your box. Nice, so I did learn something new about their service today. But now let's move on to the last recipe for the month, and then we will talk about the sneak peek for August? Great. What? That's the first time that's coming out. Next month is August. What? Where is 2020 gone? But anyways, this is a Fit roll-on, and the time to make is 1 minute. Estimated shelf life is 1 year, and the ingredients include 10 milliliters of almond oil, again in the big bonus box, 5 drops of the Fit essential oil, and the 10 ml roll-on bottle, which you will also get in the big bonus box. So all you have to do is add the essential oils to the roll-on bottle, fill the bottle the rest of the way with almond oil, seal and swirl to mix, label the roll-on. Again, we have a bunch of nice stickers. You just cut them off and put them on. And then apply the pulse points to prevent snacking and promote energy. I should make that like right now. But now let's talk about sneak peek. So if you don't want a sneak peek, say goodbye now. Love ya. But the sneak peek for August, the theme will be Hey Beautiful, toxin-free face care. And the oils we will be getting are the Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend, Copaiba? I don't know this word. C-O-P-A-I-B-A. So I'll be learning something new next month. Juniper berry and grapefruit. And the toxin-free recipes, it says a toxin-free take on under eye care, lip scrub, face mist, lip balm, roll-on, and diffuser blend. This sounds right up my alley and super fun. The extra items we will get will be facial pads, 2 lip balm tubes, and a spray bottle. And things you'll want at home, small jars to hold your recipes, at least 1 coffee filter, a cucumber, and honey. So that was everything for today's video. I always think this box is so fun. Not only does it help you out with quarantine, you know, with salon at home, but also it provides you with fun activities to do. You can do them alone, with loved ones. And yeah, I love how they provide a bunch of information, and you can get even more information on their website and through their course and Facebook group. I just think overall this is a great subscription. So if you guys are interested in subscribing, again, the link will be down below along with my promo code to get you $80 worth of free stuff pretty much. If you love essential oils, I think this is super great. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.